Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure of how to collaborate on Spotify playlists with friends and family. Let's get started. Open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Tap on the Your Library icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Create at the top right corner, indicated by a plus sign. From the options, choose Playlist and give it a name. Optionally, you can also add a description and a cover image. Once the playlist is created, open it by tapping on its name in your library. You will find an Invite Collaborators icon represented by a person icon. To invite collaborators, tap on it. A pop-up window will appear, offering various options to invite collaborators such as social media, copy link, and others. Choose your preferred method to invite collaborators. Anyone who receives the playlist link can click on it to open the playlist in their Spotify app. Next, click on Join Playlist button. Once they click on Join Playlist, they will become a collaborator, and they can add, remove, and edit songs in the playlist. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.